Hey, fat fuck, do your job. Yeah, fuck you too, bald boy. You little bitch. No, they unlawfully trespassed me. I got arrested for videoing at a post office. So I'm currently going to court over that. And there was 10 officers involved in my arrest, and all I was doing was videoing in public. He may not be one of those sergeants, but you sure the fuck are. You flipped me off and denied my officer complaint form.
I have no idea.
I had more business to conduct.
We don't have officer complaint forms.
This is one of those encounters that escalates fast and leaves you questioning everything you just heard. Today's video comes out of Indiana, where a citizen returns to a police department seeking answers about an alleged unlawful trespass tied to a post office incident that's still in court. What starts as a simple request quickly turns heated as officers refuse complaint forms, deny accountability, and tensions spiral out of control. This footage comes from Wanda Minds, a channel dedicated to exposing real-world encounters and helping people understand their civil rights through raw, unfiltered documentation. The big question is, will he get the accountability he's asking for? Or will the system close ranks again? Make sure you subscribe to the original channel. The link is in the description. Follow their work and tell them I sent you. Trust me, you're definitely going to have an opinion about this video.
To see that since the post office is no longer part of my court case, is that trespass still valid or not, since you guys are the ones who enforced the trespass.
We're the ones that applied the trespass. The post office is the people you have to talk to unapply it.
Well, you guys enforced it.
Yes, we did. We do enforce it.
It was an unlawful enforcement.
Okay, so you need to get a lawyer or something, but we're not handling that here. We don't handle that here.
Well, you guys don't handle anything good here.
That's right.
You're all a bunch of pieces of shit. Is what you are.
Appreciate that. You can have a
yeah,
nice
I'm
day,
sure
sir.
you do appreciate that.
Have a nice day.
I need some officer complaint forms.
No.
10 of them, bitch. Hey, fat fuck, do your job. Yeah, fuck you too, bald boy. You little bitch. I'm just trying to get help from one of your officers. He flipped me off.
What's up, man?
I need 10 officer complaint forms.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna go inside and talk to the supervisor. I need to turn these in, okay?
All right, I'll be out here.
I'll let him know that. I'll let the supervisor know you're out here, okay?
All right, appreciate that.
Yeah.
And I was trying to find out if my trespass is still enforced at the post office or not.
Okay.
Appreciate you.
The citizen requests officer complaint forms, a protected act of civic accountability. Police delay, redirect, and avoid providing a clear path for filing a complaint.
Always on some nonsense. Huh? Do what? No, they unlawfully trespassed me. I got arrested for videoing at a post office. So I'm currently going to court over that. And there was 10 officers involved in my arrest, and all I was doing was videoing in public.
Under the First Amendment, recording for accountability is not disorderly conduct. Arresting someone for documentation alone raises red flags.
Inside the post office, seeing how the post office treats the people coming in for service, making sure they're respectful and getting them in and out in a hurry. Just some government accountability, that's all. This fucking douchebag. The problem is these cops, they don't understand their rights, they don't know the law. I mean, I've even had officers pull out the book on citations and infractions and misquote an infraction. This is the only job in America that you can get, and you don't have to know your job.
No complaint forms for you. We don't have them here. You have to go to City County building.
You flip me off, you like that, you fat fuck, huh? You like flipping me off, you fat fuck?
I don't know what you're talking about, sir.
Oh, I got you on video flipping me off,
got
you
you on
fat
video
fuck.
too, so-
I don't give a fuck. Rodriguez?
Yes, sir. That's my name.
That'll be another officer complaint.
Okay, you do that.
For being a piece of shit to the fucking citizens, you fat bastard.
Okay.
Get the fuck out of here.
I don't have to.
Sir.
You have to.
The complaint forms are gonna be down at the City County building, okay?
Who's the higher up? Where's the fucking lieutenant at? You guys don't have a lieutenant here?
We do.
All you sergeants are pieces of shit. Especially John Constable. You know that dumb fuck?
Yeah, he's in
Yeah,
there too.
he's a piece of shit too.
Okay.
You fucking fit right along with him. Fuck, you guys could be brothers. You guys could even be butt buddies for all I know.
Yeah.
Fuck off.
Hey,
Give me a lieutenant, will you?
no.
No.
No, here's the thing, man. Hey, look at me. Look at me.
Have a nice day.
He's gonna leave.
Yeah, fuck you too. Fuck you too. You don't like
I'll
my
wait till
freedom
you
of
win.
speech?
Okay.
Fuck
Hey,
you too.
Here, listen. Because you're not as mad at me, right?
Well, no,
I said I was
you didn't
gonna-
flip me off like this
Okay.
fucking piece of shit
Here's
did.
the deal.
No idea what
Hey,
you're talking about.
you want to fill out the complaint forms?
Yes, I want to fill out the complaint
Go
form.
to the city county building.
Let me show you what I got here.
You have complaint forms?
No.
Oh.
I've got 30 tort claims because I'm about to file the fucking tort claims galore on your fucking dumbass police department
Okay.
for my unlawful arrest, the theft of my property,
Mr. Mills.
kidnapping.
Mr. Mills.
You guys are fucking getting run through the ringer, you dumb bitches.
Hey.
I'm going to straighten your department up, even if it means your ass is jobless.
And Mr. Mills.
So either get on board or get the fuck out.
Mr. Mills. I would head
Smile
on
all
down.
you want, you prick.
Hey, Mr. Mills. I would head on down to the city county building. You know
I
where
want to
it's
talk
at,
to a
right?
lieutenant. I need to talk to somebody higher up because I dealt with 10 officers in this department
There's-
and all of them failed. So I need a lieutenant.
Number 201, number 211.
I want to see if the lieutenant's as bad as these sergeants are. Maybe the lieutenant's got a little more respect than the underlings. We pay you. Why the fuck would you act like that? Why the fuck would you act like that when I'm videoing you? Are you that stupid?
I don't think your video played with me.
I'm going to post it and everybody's going to see how dumb you look.
Okay.
And you're disdain for the public. We pay you, you motherfucker. So when you jump in your fucking car and you feed your family, that's thanks to us, you bitch. You treat me with respect or fuck off.
Here's the thing. Respect is given too.
Yeah.
You're not being respected.
I
I've been
asked
sitting
him.
here this whole time.
I asked. No, you
Hey,
wasn't. Would you
no,
hear
I
when
said
he?
I have been
would
sitting
you
here
hear
this
when
whole
he?
time.
Well, yeah, he's not going to get respect after he flips me off.
You've been treating him with disrespect this whole time.
Well, yeah, you shouldn't have flipped me off, right?
I didn't flip you off.
You didn't flip me off.
There you go.
You're a lying piece of shit, motherfucker.
Here's the thing.
Are you the lieutenant?
No.
Oh, no, he's not.
No.
I'm sorry.
Oh, good luck with that.
You're another one of those sergeants.
He may not be one of those sergeants, but you sure the fuck are. You flipped me off and denied my officer complaint form.
No idea. We
I
don't
had
have
more
officer
business to
complaint
conduct.
form. We don't have officer complaint form.
Every police department should have officer complaint forms on, ready to go for the public.
You heard of that?
What's that?
Officer complaint form.
We don't have them.
We actually have a citizen complaint review board. There's usually one complaint.
Yeah. Got like 10 or 20 courts or something, civil courts. I guess that's for unlawful arrest. And
Yeah.
201's in there. He wants to see 201.
I just simply asked him for 10 officer complaint forms.
We don't
He
have
tells me,
officer complaint
you
forms.
tell me I'm not getting nothing. Well, print them up.
No,
Print
I
them.
don't print things up.
Why don't you?
Because we don't do that. You go to the.
We buy you guys a
Go
printer.
to the city council.
I know where
That's where you
I
make
know
your
where the citizens complaint board is.
That's
I had
right?
I had 2 types of different business. Well, 3 types of business to conduct.
Uh-huh.
I wanted to find out about this trespass, unlawful trespass from the post office.
Right.
There's that piece of shit constable.
There you go.
Remember me, dumb fuck? Huh?
How you doing, sir?
I'm doing great. All these court dates, I'm doing excellent. Thank you for losing your fucking cool and arresting me, you dumb bitch, unlawfully, and then breaking the fucking property.
Mr. Mills, do you need anything for me?
No, you're good to go. I appreciate you.
Okay. All right.
Where's the lieutenant? Did he come out?
He never came out.
Have you studied the Constitution yet, Constable? Huh? Have you talked to the federal police?
Have a good day, sir.
I saw the body cam footage. The postal inspector said I had every right to video in the post office. You fucking clown.
There you go. There's a lieutenant right there. You can talk to them.
Lieutenant, what is going on with this department, really? I mean, I had 10 officers unlawfully arrest me, use excessive force, break my property, steal my property, kidnap me, lock me up, and I committed no crime. So I come here to try to get 10 officer complaint forms, and I wanted to ask questions about my unlawful trespass from the post office to see if it was still in effect or not. And the piece of shit sergeant comes out here, tells me he's not helping me, not doing anything, walks off and flips me off. Is that how you train the officers here to treat the public?
This admission matters. Professionalism is not optional. Under departmental policy and constitutional standards, officers must remain neutral and respectful. Small gestures can carry big legal consequences.
Just listening right now. Anything else?
Well, I mean that's pretty much the gist of it. And then they don't understand why I'm upset when somebody flips me off. Does that make you upset when somebody flips you off?
Absolutely. So if someone flipped you off, that would absolutely not be appropriate type of behavior.
Well, no, that's what I thought.
But let's rewind back to your initial complaint. You said officers kidnapped you.
Yes.
And then what else? When did this happen?
When did this happen?
Yeah, you said officers kidnapped you.
It happened in May. I'm still going to court over it.
Okay, so how many officers was it? You said a total of 10 officers.
10 officers
Okay, so
were on scene.
Yeah. Oh, okay. But how many of them were involved in your abduction?
John Constable, De Leon, in fact, De Leon kept an unlawful seizure of property, and property that wasn't even mine that I had in my possession.
Do you have an attorney representing you?
I do have an attorney, but I mean, really, I wouldn't need an attorney. I've got video proof of everything.
So then I mean you have an attorney that could help process that.
Yeah,
video.
but I can act as my own attorney as well. So I wanted to submit a public records request because I'm going to get the bond information on all these officers, their prior arrest records. I'm going to do a full background on all these officers involved in my case. I need photo images to put with these names so I know which officers did what. There was another officer who, after I was handcuffed, I was choked after handcuffed, and while I was being choked, the other officer was digging the handcuffs into my wrists.
So what I would suggest that you do, because we don't, all the information that you're saying that you need, this is not the place you get it.
Well, I can get public records from here.
Not from here. We don't have.
Yes,
records
I'll
from
get
here.
public records from anywhere the records are produced. You guys hold the employees
Sir,
whose
do you
records
have-
are
do
in
you
this
have-
place.
Do you have a public information records request that's signed by a judge that you want to
Sign? You talking? No, we're not talking about a subpoena for records. I'm talking about actual APRA law, Indiana APRA law. We can go to any entity, government or state, and submit a public records request and get public information. Look up the Indiana
I'm
APRA
not
law.
aware of that law.
I am.
But I'm not.
So I am. So make yourself aware of it.
I will
Because
do that.
otherwise, it's a civil rights violation, and it is punishable.
So, sir, here's what I would say to you. You made quite a few allegations.
They're not allegations.
No, what I'm saying.
I got video
Has
evidence.
it been proven in the court of law yet?
No, because the prosecutor's too fucking stupid
Well,
to
then,
realize officers can't be a complainant on a disorderly.
So what I would suggest to you.
Do you believe officers can be a complainant on a disorderly?
Sir, I don't really know.
Do you think the officers can be the witness
My opinion
and the
doesn't
complainant
matter in
on a
this case.
disorderly?
Here's what I'm suggesting.
It does matter because it falls under law.
Sir,
If you arrest a
sir,
citizen for disorderly
sir,
conduct and you have no right to arrest him for disorderly conduct because he's redressing you, then that's a matter of law, right?
So let me rewind, man. I don't even know your name. Who are you?
Good citizen.
Okay, that's all right. That's what you want to tell me.
Yeah, and I'm
Okay.
going to tell you, please,
Okay,
give me a
I'm-
public records
I'm
request
Lieutenant
or give me a
Atkins.
pen and I'll
You're
fill
asking
one
for
out.
information, but you don't want to give me your information, right?
No,
So
because
you're
I have a
citizen.
right under the Fourth Amendment of the
Sir,
under the
here's
Fourth
what I'm
Amendment
asking you to do at
to
this
remain
point. At this
secure in
point-
my person's private
At
property
this
and
point,
effects.
sir, I appreciate it. You can go down if you want to. If you need to go, you don't want to identify yourself and tell me who you are. So
I don't need to identify myself, Lieutenant.
But you do have to.
You know,
leave this
that's what the
property.
problem with these underlings are.
I understand,
because
sir.
the shit
Sir,
runs downhill, right?
sir.
It's a proven fact that shit
I
runs
appreciate
downhill. Give me a public records request and let me submit my public records request.
I don't have the ability to do
So
that.
you want to withhold my evidence from my court case, right?
I'm not withholding anything. I
You
don't-
are.
I
I'm
don't have the
asking you
information.
for a
Sir,
public records request
do you
so
want-
I
do you
can
have
gather
anything else?
information on officers' conduct to see if maybe one of them are on the Brady list or if they've had issues with this before in the past to show history of officer neglect and officers not understanding the law. So give me a public records request because it's part of my evidence.
I don't have the ability to do that.
You
sir.
do that. Give me
I
a
don't.
pen then. Let me use your pen.
I'm not letting you use my pen, but I don't want you.
It's
to,
technically my pen because I bought it. It's the people's pen, right? Because
It
we
is.
paid for
It's the
it.
people's pen. Matter of fact, I don't even have my pen on me, so I guess I can't help you with that. But here's what I would say to you, sir. If you have an issue, I would recommend that you have your attorney represent you, because I can.
I'm
tell you
representing
now,
myself.
I can understand.
My
it.
attorney is my tool.
Sir, all this
I'm
is on, you're
going to be more
recording,
thorough
I'm
than
assuming-
any attorney's ever
Sir,
going to be.
Sir, I'm assuming you're recording. I'm recording too. I can't.
Well, that's
help
good for you. You can't help me because you can't help the public, right?
Yes, sir.
Is that it?
No, that's not
You
it,
can't
sir.
help the public against the blue line. Why is that
Sir.
blue line bench sitting in the police department?
Sir, you
Why
have
don't
a
you
great
rip
day.
that blue board off of there or
Sir.
paint that thing
Sir, you have a great
an
day.
actual color that represents the
great day.
people
You
and
have
get
a
rid of
great
all
day.
that blue?
Have a
You
great
blue
day.
line bitches or something else. You know that?
Sir, thank
I
you.
mean, how in the fuck can
Have
you
a great
guys
day.
live with yourself getting paid by the public and doing whatever the fuck you want if it breaks the law or not. Lieutenant, do better, Lieutenant. Do better.
This video proves one thing. When citizens don't know their rights, power gets abused. And when they do, everything changes. Remember this, you don't need permission to be free, you need knowledge. If this video made you angry, proud, or wide awake, good. That means you're paying attention. Like the video if you believe rights are meant to be exercised. Comment if you've ever been wrongly asked for ID or treated like a suspect for standing your ground. Subscribe so you're never caught off guard again. This is ID Refusal Rights, not just a channel, but a community. Because in this country, your strongest weapon isn't silence, it's knowing the law.